सो आ गए हम लोग इस केव के अंदर में। तो बाहर में देख सकते हो कितनी धूप और गर्मी है एंड अंदर में उतनी ठंडी है, तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। Okay, so today we are going for a small trek, so I'll show you the place. So that's the hill point, the Sangankal hill where we'll be going. So we have all the school children over here of Dilla Parmai. Okay, so we'll be just heading. We have just started our trek. So it was all cloudy all these days, but all of a sudden it has become sunny. So let's see what happens because it's already 9 o'clock. Sorry, 9:30. So what we have started. So let's see, and we have started. Okay.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Yeah, so we are almost started. So as you can see, the children are all going up. So we had to move to that place. There's one. Just watch out, man. What is there in the front? Just okay. So here comes your adventure.
Climbing, sir?
Yes, you have to climb up this, and you have to move ahead. So you need to be particular about what you're bringing. So let's see.
Be careful while climbing this one.
रवि सर आप ऊपर जाते हैं? ओके।
क्या कुकिंग करने ले गए?
हाँ? उनका लंच। चल जाएंगे।
चढ़ने को चढ़ डाले।
आप उतरने नहीं उतरने के लिए दूसरे रूट से उतरेंगे लोग।
दूसरी रूट हाँ अच्छा सर आप जाओगे तो फिर बच्चे दिल मूव फॉरवर्ड।
Very adventure, sir.
So we are not even just done one quarter also, and you can see look at the children's faces. Okay, so everyone is trying to help each other. So I'm there on the like forward, and you can see teachers are taking selfies and all. Okay, some are trying to just clear themselves, and some are just helping each other. So you can see everyone is enjoying this trek, I guess. Yeah. So we'll just be when everyone comes up, we'll just move forward.
Yeah, so now you can see like we have done. So the pathway is completely filled with thorns. Okay, बहुत सारे पत्थर है, rocky है. So you can see several is moving. Okay, so everyone is struggling. Anyway, no one is giving it up. Like they're just helping out each other. So see you left front.
Yeah. So you can see that others have gone ahead and few are still lagging behind. Yeah. So now we are still almost half of the way. Yeah. So basically this Sangankal hill is known for its historical place. That's the ancient rock paintings. So अभी हम लोग वहीं पे जाने वाले हैं. So we'll be going to that place. I'll show you the rock paintings and also the caves in which these ancestors were seen. And also they tell जो हम्पी है, so हम्पी whatever the granite stone was actually used to make the the complete empire was taken out from this hill particularly, they tell. So देखते हैं what is there forward about this. So here comes the rocky places where we have to actually climb. Here only we'll find a lot of the rock paintings. Yeah. So everyone has almost come. They are already sweating. So इतने दिन से climate काफ़ी ठंडा था, but आज ऐसे हो गया कि बहुत sweaty है. So you can see he's already exhausted. So we are having a break. तो अब ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, तो सब लोग everyone is exhausted. So अभी रास्ता भी पूरा अभी कवर भी नहीं हुआ, जैसे देख सकते हैं हम लोग को पूरा ऊपर में जाना है अभी. So आकांक्षा वहाँ पे बैठी हुई है, so she is enjoying. So rest of the others are actually having the juice, and yeah. So let's अभी snacks के बाद में we'll be just going back again forward again. हम लोग भी कुछ लेके आए हैं बैग में, so we have some things snacks in our bag. पता नहीं देखते हैं. I'll have some water. Okay. मैम टीचर्स को पहले भगाओ. मेरे को आगे जाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन पीछे भी देखना पड़ेगा.
पीछे है ना हमारी गैंग लीडर। देखो रेडी हो रही है।
ओके, तो बच्चे वहाँ से चढ़ रहे हैं, तो मैं थोड़ा ज़रा आगे जाता हूँ. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कैसा है। तो मैं मोबाइल अंदर रख लेता हूँ एंड अपना क्लाइंबिंग स्टार्ट करता हूँ। तो यहाँ से ऐसे 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 अब्बा। So you can see all are still struggling to climb. Okay. So ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಅವರು. Okay. So they are struggling to climb. I'll make you hurry only when you don't worry.
Learn how to go.
Okay, so you can see children are doing this trek, a lot of struggle, and the sun is blazing up over there. Okay, and we are there here just to help out these people just watching out the trek. Yeah. And you can see still our gang leader is there inside, and our enemy is also there. See the curiosity at this kind of situation where she's stuck also, she wants to know who is the enemy.
Really, are you asking that question, ma'am? Don't you know?
Gang leader. Gang leader.
Gang leader, please, you need to make it fast. It's already 11 o'clock. Photos you can take later. Still we have to go up. So I've reached almost near to the top point. So rest everyone is yet to come. So it's so nice, you can see.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
So rest everyone are yet to come. You can see some are still over there.
Yes.
So everyone is short of breath. But I hope you people have enjoyed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you should go up, sir.
Yeah, sit. Have a sit.
Sir.
Yeah, wait, let them come up.
Sir, we were so good, sir. Sir, there is hole, sir, in here. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What is that, sir? Why you are...
Yeah.
Sir?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Get for there.
Sir, he's crawling from that time, sir.
Actually, if you see, that is easy. So they are all climbing up. So,
Asra.
Slowly,
Don't go up now.
so, hey, go from here. Climb from here.
Come here. No way there. Keep on
Hey,
Turn back, sit, and you can.
climb down there and come from here like this.
Okay, sir. This is you can't.
Let's wait.
You go.
Hey, you wait.
Come up here only then.
Sit there.
Here only. No, turn like this.
Aye,
Let them sit down. Rotate and come.
the height also will not come.
You can't.
2,000 years later.
Okay. इसमें काफ़ी सारे रॉक पेंटिंग्स आप देख सकते हो इसमें है. Okay, here, around there. तो काफ़ी सारे रॉक पेंटिंग्स है इस प्लेसेस पे. So we have almost reached to the top. So everyone is struggling with this climb. तो मैं पॉसिबली आपको दिखा सकता हूँ द किंग्स चेयर, जो मतलब उनके जो ट्राइबल किंग था उनका चेयर एक है यहाँ पे. तो पॉसिबल आई विल ट्राई टू चेक इट आउट वेयर इट इज़, बिकॉज अब तक मुझे तो दिखा नहीं है. सो आगे में शायद हो सकता है, तो वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग देख सकते हैं. लेट मी गो ओवर देयर, आपको दिखाता हूँ आगे. सो आ गए हम लोग इस केव के अंदर में. तो बाहर में देख सकते हो कितनी धूप और गर्मी है, एंड अंदर में उतनी ठंडी है. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. सो यहाँ पे सीरियसली इतनी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. सो आई गेस दिस वाज द प्लेसेस वेयर द एंशिएंट पीपल यूज्ड टू लिव ड्यूरिंग द हॉट समर. सो अंदर जाके एक बार देखते हैं. सो आई नीड टू बी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट कैमरा कि कहीं गिर ना जाए. आई नीड टू इवन वॉच आउट फॉर माई लेग हेड. ओके, सो वो कहीं और उस ओर निकलता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो आई विल डेयर टू इवन जस्ट go, but I'll just call others if they are interested to see this place. Just a minute. तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से है. ओके, सो जैसे कि ये केस में बाकी लोग को भी लेके आ गया हूँ. सो दे ऑल वांट टू एंटर इनसाइड. तो ये लोग जा रहे हैं अभी. ओके, तो वहाँ पे फ्रॉम देयर दे आर क्लाइंबिंग आउट. यू सी दिस. Okay, can see how
It is very big here.
passage. So inside you can see small cracks and run down. अगर कैमरा गिरा तो ख़त्म. तो इसको वापस हम लगाते हैं अपने माउंट पे. ओके. और अब हम जाएंगे आगे.
मैम उसको बैग दे दो आपका.
ओके. आई नीड टू वॉच आउट फ्रॉम हेड.
Whose bag is that?
पता नहीं सबके बैग्स फ़ोन सब यहीं पे है. तो वो लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी. अनन्या मैम के लिए चैलेंज है कि वो चढ़ पाएंगे नहीं.
My mother can, sir.
यस, होप सो शी कैन.
Yes, she can.
एंड
My mother is a retired officer.
रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर.
Yes.
विच ऑफिसर?
Big go. One step for others, ma'am, and one step for others, sir.
या.
मैम this is senior under officer.
Officer, that is
And then who was the who bring a first gold medal from Dehradun to Bellary battalion.
सो लेट्स सी. तो ये चढ़ रहे हैं इजीली. सो मेरे पास 2 बैग्स हैं. Need to even watch out my head. अरे बाप रे, ये बाकी लोग के बैग्स की वजह से मैं घिस गया हूँ. ओके, फाइनली हम लोग निकल के बाहर. तो देख सकते हो वापस केव जैसा था हमारा. तो अब वापस जा रहे हैं हम लोग ऊपर में. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं वापस. तो बाकी लोग चले गए नीचे में, तो हम लोग भी निकलते हैं एंड मिलते हैं बाकी लोग को. इधर इधर लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट में.
No, I'm coming like this, sir.
Yeah, so we have got a beautiful spot for bouldering next time. Surely we'll try to make a team and we'll try to do bouldering over this
Sir, I also
region.
come, sir.
Yeah, hope so. So now you can see we have a departure here, so we can see someone is waiting for us.
Oh, somebody is really waiting for us.
Yeah, so everyone is there behind. So we have come, taken an adventurous shortcut out, and we are out.
Sir, with my student.
Yeah, so this fellow is there who's interested in adventure. So finally this Sangankal trek is done. So it has taken a lot of time for us just to come down. So everyone is out now. So they have enjoyed this beautiful place, the trek, adventure. Okay, the risk, whatever there was there, don't jump, and some bird watching they have done. Okay, so finally this brings to an end of Sangankal diaries, whatever you can say about it. So hope we'll see you in the next video where we can all see some more adventure with these people. Till then, take care, bye bye, and subscribe the Dio Wala Rider.